Welcome to the Brain Test Challenge. Hey everyone, today's challenge is Dynamic IQ Test. In this quiz, your score changes every 10 seconds as you answer 25 easy questions. Test your knowledge and see how quickly you can improve your score. Let's get started. What is the next number in the sequence? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, it's 5. Which shape comes next in the pattern? Square, circle, square, circle. Do you know the answer? Correct, it's square. Which of the following is an even number? Yup, it's 4. What comes after Friday? Write your answer in comments. Great job, it's Saturday. If you have 2 apples and give away 1, how many do you have left? Got any ideas? Correct again, it's 1. What is 5 plus 3? You can do it. Well done, it's 8. Which is the smallest number? Yes, it's 2. What is the color of the sky on a clear day? Do you have a guess? Correct, it's blue. Which number is greater, 10 or 7? Yup, it's 10. What is the next letter in the sequence? A, B, C, D. Can you guess the right answer? Great job, it's E. Which is the odd one out? Correct again, it's carrot. Which number comes before 6? Not easy. Well done, it's 5. Which of these animals can fly? Yes, it's bird. What is the sum of 2 and 7? Think carefully before answering. Correct, it's 9. What comes after the letter M in the alphabet? Yup, it's N. Which number is the result of subtracting 3 from 8? Do you know the answer? Yes, it's 5. Which of these objects is a shape? Correct, it's circle. If you add 1 to 9, what is the result? Got any ideas? Yup, it's 10. What is the next number in the sequence? 2, 4, 6, 8. Great job, it's 10. Which of these is a primary color? You can do it. Correct again, it's blue. What is the opposite of hot? Well done, it's cold. How many legs does a dog have? Do you have a guess? Correct, it's 4. Which number comes after 15? Yup, it's 16. What is the next day after Monday? Can you guess the right answer? Correct again, it's Tuesday. Which is the largest number? Not easy. Well done, it's 9. How many did you write? Comment your score, and like, share, and subscribe the channel.